If you're over 60 and feel off balance the moment you rise from bed, you are not alone. Many seniors experience that familiar morning instability, the shaky step, the need to hold furniture, the pause before walking. It's unsettling. But what if I told you it's not weakness? It's silence. Systems in your body are asleep. As we age, the communication between our brain, feet, and joints becomes less automatic, especially after hours of lying still. Your proprioceptors, the sensors in your muscles and joints that tell your brain where your body is, go dormant overnight. Add to that stiff ankles, slow circulation, and a sleepy vestibular system, and your balance feels unreliable. That hesitation you feel is real, but it's also reversible. This isn't about getting older. It's about systems that need a wake-up call, and you can do that in under 5 minutes, seated, safely, at home. In this video, we'll show you a simple morning balance reset routine used by physical therapists. You'll activate your nervous system, re-engage key stabilizer muscles, and restore coordination before even taking your first full step of the day. We'll guide you through 3 targeted movements: 1 to wake up the sensory system in your feet, 1 to challenge your balance without relying on vision, and 1 to retrain your body to stabilize on one leg. No gym, no pills, no stress. Just a chair, a few mindful minutes, and a return to confident movement. This is your new morning habit. Let's wake up your brain, your balance, and your day together. Our first move is one of the most overlooked tools for regaining balance, the toe step. It may look basic, but it retrains how your brain and foot communicate. After 60, many people lose foot sensitivity, ankle response, and toe control, leading to trips, stumbles, and that awful feeling of being unsure on your feet. This exercise reactivates proprioception and motor control where balance truly begins, the forefoot. Stand in front of a low step, stair, or stack of books about 4 to 6 inches high. Make sure it's stable and that you're next to a counter, wall, or sturdy chair for light support. Your feet should be hip-width apart, posture tall, and core gently engaged. Now lift your right foot and slowly tap just your toes onto the step. Pause for a second, then return the foot to the ground with control. No stomping, no rush. Repeat this 10 to 12 times, then switch legs. This movement trains your dorsiflexors, the muscles that lift your foot, and reawakens the nerve endings that tell your brain where you're stepping. It's essential for walking safely on stairs, uneven ground, or reacting to unexpected obstacles. If it feels too easy, you can add a pause at the top or do 2 sets. If it's too hard, lower the step or do fewer repetitions. And if needed, you can even try a seated version using a towel to mimic the motion. As you move, keep your hips level and your eyes forward. Don't twist your torso or lean to the side. Avoid locking your standing knee and breathe steadily as you move. What you should feel is a mild activation in the front of your lower leg and toes, maybe even a little in your calf. If your foot feels clumsy or slow to respond at first, that's a good sign. It means your nervous system is waking up and learning again. This is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build reactive foot strength, sharpen balance control, and restore confidence with each step. When practiced daily, the toe step improves your foot's ability to sense, adjust, and respond to the world beneath you, and that's where safer walking truly begins. This second movement may feel unusual at first, but it taps directly into one of the most critical systems for balance, your inner ear. It's called the standing eyes closed exercise, and it challenges your ability to stay upright without relying on your vision. Why is this so important? Because most people, especially after 60, become overly dependent on their eyes for stability. The moment they turn off the lights or look away from the ground, balance starts to wobble. That's because other systems, like the inner ear and the nerves in your feet, aren't fully awake or trained to respond. Here's how to do it safely. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart near a sturdy chair, countertop, or wall. Make sure you're close enough to support yourself if needed. Begin by standing tall, arms relaxed by your sides, and eyes open. Take a breath, then gently close your eyes. At first, just notice what happens. You might feel your feet shifting slightly, or your ankles adjusting to keep you upright. That's your nervous system working, micro adjustments firing to help you find center again. Start by holding this position for 10 to 15 seconds. If it feels safe, you can build up to 30 seconds or even a full minute over time. Don't force anything. If you feel unsteady, open your eyes and reset. The goal isn't perfection, it's reactivation. This exercise gently stimulates the balance sensors in your inner ear and feet by removing your main crutch, sight. That's why it's so effective for improving stability in real-world moments like walking in a dark room, turning your head quickly, or dealing with distractions. As you improve, you can try small progressions like shifting your weight slightly side to side or forward and back while your eyes remain closed. Just be sure you always have a support nearby. For some, even closing the eyes while brushing teeth or standing in the kitchen can become part of daily balance training. What matters most is that your body is learning to trust its other senses again. That trust builds resilience, and resilience is what prevents falls, not just strength, but the ability to react when the unexpected happens. Doing this daily will not only help reawaken your vestibular system, but also teach your brain how to stabilize without visual cues. That's a powerful upgrade to your balance system. It may feel odd or even frustrating at first, but every second your eyes are closed and your body is adjusting, you are teaching it to become more confident, more adaptable, and less fearful of moving freely. This third and final movement is one of the most powerful ways to retrain your body for daily stability. It's called the single leg balance, and while it may sound simple, it taps into a full body network of balance, strength, and coordination. The ability to stand on one leg, even for a few seconds, is directly linked to fall prevention, walking confidence, and lower body strength. But it's more than just a leg exercise. It's a message to your brain that says, I'm ready, I'm stable, I can trust my movements again. Let's begin safely. Stand near a wall, kitchen counter, or sturdy chair. Place your feet about hip-width apart, arms relaxed at your sides. Shift your weight slowly onto your left leg and lift your right foot just a few inches off the ground. Keep your gaze forward and your core gently engaged. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, or as long as feels safe, then return the foot to the ground and switch sides. At first, you may wobble, that's expected. Your ankles, knees, hips, and even your toes are working together to keep you centered. The micro adjustments you feel are how your nervous system learns. This is balance being rebuilt, not lost. Focus on control rather than duration. It's better to hold for 5 seconds with control than to struggle through 30 while unstable. With practice, try increasing the time or reducing support from your hand. You can also try gentle movements like turning your head or reaching one arm forward while balancing. These small changes mimic real-life challenges like turning to look at something or carrying groceries. What should you feel? Subtle effort in your foot, calf, and thigh, along with engagement through your core and glutes. If one side feels weaker, don't worry. Imbalances are normal and can improve with practice. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to reawaken control and confidence, one step at a time. Avoid locking your knees, gripping the floor with your toes, or holding your breath. Keep a soft posture, breathe smoothly, and reset as needed. If this is too hard, try keeping your toes lightly touching the floor for support, or stand with your back close to a wall. The single leg balance is more than a test. It's a training tool. It teaches your body how to handle the unexpected, how to recover from a stumble, and how to move through the world with steadiness. Make it part of your daily routine, even just a minute a day, and you'll start to feel more grounded, more in control, and more confident every time you take a step. If you've ever wondered why your balance changes so much from day to day, you're not alone. One common question we hear is, why do I feel steady some mornings and wobbly the next? The truth is, balance isn't just physical. It's influenced by sleep, hydration, medications, blood pressure, mood, and even how grounded your feet feel first thing in the morning. That's why routines like this help so much. They send a clear message to your body. Wake up, reconnect, move with control. Another question we often hear is, do I need to do all 3 exercises every single day? You don't have to. Even 1 or 2 of them done regularly can retrain your balance system. The key isn't doing everything perfectly, it's doing something consistently. 1 minute a day, repeated over time, makes a bigger difference than a long workout done once a week. It's about steady input, not intensity. And what if you feel discouraged? What if you try these moves and your legs shake, or your foot feels uncoordinated, or you lose your balance after a few seconds? That's not failure. That's feedback. That's your nervous system learning. Wobbling isn't weakness. It's your body recalibrating. Every time you reset, you're building new neural connections. So be patient. Be kind to yourself. This is a process, and progress looks different for everyone. If today's routine helped you, let us know in the comments. Just type the words "balance reset" to show you're committed to this simple daily habit. We read every message, and your words help others feel less alone. And if you have a friend or parent who could use this, send them the video. Sometimes just a few minutes of guidance can completely shift someone's confidence. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next video. We'll explore how your eyes, ears, and feet work together to keep you steady, and a strange but powerful way to train them in just 30 seconds a day. Until then, keep moving, stay steady, and remember, your body can adapt at any age. The journey to better balance starts one small step at a time, and you've already taken it today.